again, Dollies. Welcome back. Today we are going to be reacting to Punch Punch Forever, My Little Slasher, the second one in the Punch Punch Forever series. Without further ado, let us keep going. This was like hilarious. So I'm excited to see what else. Oh my gosh, they got like a Newgrounds logo, and it's kind of like looking like the classic like old anime logos that happened. Oh my gosh, it's a classic Earth. Oh yes, this was where we are. Death Island on Earth. I'm not sure if there's a real world equivalent to this with like a giant skull over here or nah, but... Oh, another little martial arts girly. Hi. Okay. I was expecting her to win like Go-Go. I wasn't expecting her to die. The mom has nicely painted nails, but I wasn't expecting the toddler to die. Yeah, don't treat it irresponsibly like you are not watching where you're driving. Isn't there water nearby? Are you? Oh, you just blew smoke into the baby's face. I like the colors of the sky. Yeah, you took your eyes off the road for more than a second. How are they still alive? Like, hello? She's just like, I am bad cake now, but I survive. So it seems like her sister is like half demon or something, which I think is pretty cool. Oh yeah, when she's human, she looks like Go-Go and her mom. Like the same kind of hair color. I mean, she has the same hair color in demon form as well, but we get the same, like, opening again. Oh my gosh, I didn't even realize, but the mom is, like, ripped too. She was in, like a superhero uniform there in the opening for a second. Oh my gosh, maybe... Oh. Chucky! Sponsored by chocolate. Yes, I remember those sponsors. It's so funny. Yes, I love relaxing in the great outdoors. But I thought she was gonna eat the plastic. You can never figure out what they're gonna do. I mean, sometimes it's better to just go in the woods at that point. Oh, they're both joined the tournament? Emperor Kuro. Cool frog! That demon lord, emperor, whatever, is definitely their father. Definitely. Cool frog. That's the best name for a frog ever. Oh, this is like a Jason, kind of. Oh, okay. Ah! Go-Go makes the funniest noises. Jason. Oh. Okay. TMI. Oh, I think it's meant to be Jason, not Gason. Okay. Zanaik's sister, stop it. Oh. Even they look so alike, it's so easy to get them mixed up. Not like one of them has a tail or anything. Aww. Oh, she's cute, but also, oh, I remember that game. Oh, I remember seeing YouTube videos of that game when I shouldn't have when I was little. I think that they'll be fantastic friends. Go, and Geiko. Fight! Baby. Oh. I like her belly button. She's got a little outie belly button. Such a cool little detail. Chibi serial killing demon? Oh my god. Watching on the mini TV when you're right there. That's so funny. Yeah, fight, children. She also has like pointy ears, so she's probably also like a demon of some sort. Oh, please stop strangling my little Go-Go. There we go. I mean, Go-Go's kind of dumb. She probably has to breathe manually anyway, so. Oh, please don't throw up on her. She made like a weird face. It made me think she was gonna stick her tongue out like a frog and bam! Go-Go's actually a frog demon. Like Yoshi. Oh. Go-Go's got a little tear. Yeah, there's a few trees. Oh, not in a tree, she's in the bush. Oh. You know what? That is a very realistic reaction to a chainsaw. Oh my gosh, this is like a Friday the 13th, like slasher. Wait, isn't it literally called My Little Slasher? I don't know what I was expecting from a pilot named My Little Slasher. Definitely not a little slasher. What is this? I feel... yeah, very good. Okay, yes, back to the accurate chainsaw react. My little chainsaw! Oh! Baby's first chainsaw is malfunctioning. It's even pink! I want the chainsaw now. Please let me have a cute chainsaw. Yeah, punch, punch, punch. You don't need a chainsaw, all you need is your fists. Yeah, if all you need for a weapon is your fists, then you're never weaponless. You're never unarmed. Which is very powerful. Yeah. Oh, bleh, drool. Be besties now. Another knife. Girl, if you get unarmed. My favorite cheek! Oh, she has a favorite cheek. That's super cute. Shock! Oh. Yeah, they definitely see Go-Go as a bear. I too see Go-Go as a bear when she expands like that. Yeah, go in there. Definitely Geiko will be too afraid to go into the creepy cabin. Big mistake. Oh, you're definitely not saying anything about the dead bodies. Oh, she doesn't know her own Papa's face because they always wear a mask. Wait, this is like way too smart for Go-Go to do. Aw, she's just a daddy's girl. She's just like still going at it. I love it. What a headache with an axe in her head. Oh my god. Oh my gosh, our little dummy had an idea. Oh, please do not impale the toddler. Oh, okay, their pipes are... Oh, uh-oh. Oh. I don't know how to feel about this. Yeah, look at him being a good dad. Drowned while set on fire and... She'll be fine just like her papa. Okay, yeah. Oh.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, Mr. Serial Killer, who's a good father. Yeah, he's definitely their dad.
だから美しさに感動していたんだ。親の純粋な愛を見るのは昔を思い出すようだ。ママ、アイス食べたい。
ああ、記憶を美化してる感じですね。
Oh, everything looked a lot different back then. And then storyboarding. I love the meta, fourth wall breaking jokes in this.
あの女、見覚えが。まさかそんなバカな。
Anyone but her. Yeah.
じっとしてるのゴーゴー。ほら。
で、ママ、コロナはどうなったん？俺らに説明しなきゃだろ。
そうよね。いい加減説明しなきゃよね。
What? Wait, the older daughter's purple, just like Emperor Koro.
だの。
ってことは。
そりゃしてたわ。
Oh, that's a little explicit. Okay, yeah, you know, I wish I had a froggy friend to cover my eyes too.
父親なの。
She'll literally turn to stone.
まあだよね。
Yes。
でもじゃ
Yes, and the bottom said hi. Oh my god.
ゴーゴー、あなたのお父さんはあそこにずっと一緒にいるわ。
おい、みんな。
あ忘れて
Oh,
少し休むのよゴーゴー。ママと話すことがたくさんあるの。
so they're half sisters. Okay. So Gogo is just an extremely strong human. Well, no. It looks like your father is the emperor. It looks like you are the princess of the realm. Thank you for watching. Yeah, thank you for being here, reacting with me. That was really funny. The subtitles? Okay. Dark God 87 is so mad about these subtitles, man. I didn't even figure out what happened in that commercial because Dark God 87 is so mad. So mad about subtitles being stolen somehow, I guess. I don't know. Can you really steal a translation? I don't know. That was my little slasher, where we got a little slasher and a revelation that the older sister is the daughter of the emperor. Anyways, let me know what you guys think and in the comments below, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye!